My name is Olga Spitzer, and I am DoTerra's essential oil educator and wellness advocate. As a member of DoTerra's Diamond Club, I am on a mission to educate people all around Canada about essential oils and natural lifestyle solutions. My passion is to teach mothers and fathers how to take care of themselves and their loved ones by using the essential oils and other natural health products. As we all know, more people are dying yearly of incorrectly prescribed medication than in car accidents. And despite of medical advancements, the number of deaths caused by cancer and other terminal diseases is rising, and we are not getting any healthier. On the other hand, essential oils have been around for thousands of years. They are mentioned in the Bible more than 300 times and were mankind's first medicine. They are safer, cheaper, and more effective than traditional over-the-counter medication with no side effects. They are also very versatile and can be used, for example, to relieve a headache or soothe sore muscles or sore throats. And you can use them in your personal products such as lotions and toothpaste, or in your cleaners all around your house. If you're open to learning about essential oils and how they can support and benefit your family, I would like to invite you to come to my class in your area, where I will teach you and show you the tools to be empowered for better health and well-being. Since this is going to be a Diamond Club event, you will be eligible for special promotions and giveaways. So please contact the person who sent you this invitation so they can provide you with dates and times of the events. I'm so excited to meet you and to show you the way to natural living.